and another shouldered screw. And this is the chronograph runner brake, and I'm going to lightly grease the tip that interacts with the column wheel. What's really neat is the hammer just sits over this post here. And this piece that will sit on top of the operating lever will get a little bit of grease as well. And this was the operating lever spring. And this makes sure that little operating lever piece that sits against the column wheel is continuously sprung against it. I'm now installing the hammer spring. Its position will need to be adjusted once I get the screw started. And another spring, I believe this one's specifically for the column wheel itself. So I'll need to put a little bit of grease on that spring because this is what kind of indexes the column wheel with the help of that kind of little puller attached to the other end of the operating lever.